Messaging members on your community. From the admin dashboard, simply go to Communities and then where it says Zenler Community, click the preview or go to Community. You can also click up here to go to communities or multiple communities in one go. You can also add to a community as well. Let's click Go to Community. This will open a side pop-up bar, and inside here you can add a message. Let's write welcome to this course. You can also add emojis inside here by clicking the emoji button, and you can upload an image, you can paste a video link, and you can paste a link. Let's now paste a link inside here. Simply click link. Let's now link to Google. Once again, click paste the link, paste the link in, and the link's been added. Now let's upload an image. You'll notice that you get a warning if you're uploading or adding too many assets. Let's delete that out and click upload image. Let's choose this image here and click open. Now an image has been added. What about a video? Let's paste a video link inside here. I'm going to open up YouTube and choose a video link. Let's choose this one here. Let's go and share and copy this link. Back in communities, I'm going to just delete out this image and I'm going to go to video link. Now I've pasted that link in there, the video shows on the post. All I need to do now is click post. This has now been added. We also have the ability to send message out to all members. So if you have an important note, like this, you can simply go in here and you can check send an email notification to all members. Now what this will do is send an email out to all members of this community. This is a very powerful feature and allows you to send out emails from the community itself. If you have this unchecked, then users returning to your course or your site will receive a notification in the top bell icon on their site, and they can click it and then they'll see the post inside here. But this is slightly different because this will actually send an email out to them from the system itself. This is how you can have a conversation, and you can start a conversation within a community. It's also very powerful for upselling other courses or membership packages that you have just created. Get in touch with your community by using the community feature and the messaging all feature inside of Zenler. But be careful not to oversend emails out to your members, as it could be considered spam. This is how you can engage with your audience on Zenler. Let's have a look at what one of our students would see when they logged into your course. So here I am logged in as a student, and I've been tied to that community. Notice up the top right there's a notification bell that says 2. If I click this, I will see that there's 2 posts gone in on a community. I can easily jump to this community by clicking any of these buttons. I can also see all notifications inside here. This will open up the community itself, where I can see these notifications. I also have the ability, as a menu has been set up on the top that says community. This takes us to the same area, but opens up all the community and discussions that I am involved in. So inside here I can see these questions and videos, and I can see where things have been approved and if things are done and replied to. So I can reply back to there. This is great. And I can simply click on the post. Now this has been added in my admin dashboard. As the admin of the site, I will see this reply come in. Do you notice I'm in the admin dashboard and I can see that a message has appeared? If I click this, I can see that message that was sent by the user. This is great. I could then reply back to that user inside here, or I can also like it inside here. This will show inside of the students dashboard as well, giving you direct engagement with your students within the community. To finish, simply click the cross and you'll see that the bell icon has disappeared because you have viewed all of the messages. Inside of the bell icon notification area, you also have settings where you can turn off certain notifications if you wish. Like this. Please note you will receive email notifications as well, telling you users have sent you a message. This then makes sure that you never miss any kind of engagement happening in any of your communities. This is the power of communities and messaging between you and your community members on Zenler.